Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a neat solution for organizing your eggs in the fridge.
This is the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser, touted as one of the best rolling egg containers for refrigerator storage.
Let's start with what makes this egg dispenser stand out. It's designed to hold 12-14 standard, large, or jumbo eggs, all while saving precious space in your fridge. Show the dispenser's dimensions and capacity with overlay text for clarity. The dispenser features a gravity-fed design that allows for easy access to eggs with a gentle rolling motion. No more dealing with bulky egg cartons taking up space. Showcase close-ups of the dispenser from different angles. This two-tier organizer is made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Demonstrate how easy it is to load eggs into the dispenser. Setup is a breeze, just place it in your fridge, load your eggs, and it's ready to go. Non-slip feet keep it securely in place. One of the standout benefits is its spaces having design. By eliminating the need for bulky egg cartons, you can optimize fridge space for other groceries. Compare the space taken by traditional egg cartons versus the YouCopia dispenser. It's not just practical, it's designed with convenience in mind. The dispenser allows you to see how many eggs you have left at a glance, so you never run out unexpectedly. Using the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser is straightforward. Simply load your eggs from the top and they'll roll down naturally as you use them. Show someone using the dispenser in real time, taking out eggs and closing the lid. Remember, it's important to hand wash the dispenser with lukewarm water and mild soap for optimal maintenance. It's not dishwasher safe, but its durable plastic ensures long-lasting use. Before we wrap up, let's glance at what users are saying about this product. Briefly show positive reviews and ratings. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your fridge organization with a space-saving, easy-to-use solution for eggs, the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser is definitely worth considering. Recap with shots of the dispenser and its features. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.